Here we are putting a 3D dimensional sign onto a grass wall using 6-inch screws and a template. Okay, we measure away from the wall exactly 4 1/4, so we get the same level on all 3Ds. Then we hot glue on the heads of the screw and also a little piece of coroplast for structure. Once we hot glue it, we hold the 3D art against the hot glue and just hold it for a minute till it dries. Then we cut the template off. And here is our final product, 3D artwork on a grass wall, sticking out. And it came out beautiful. Brand new 3D signs with 2 beautiful girls on swings. Brought to you by Captivating Images.